Yo yo yo, welcome back to the channel. So, you guys asked for it. Today, we're gonna tour the treehouse. So in our backyard, we have a beautiful silver maple. And one day, me and a buddy decided, well, it needed a treehouse. So now my kids can enjoy this wonderful, beautiful treehouse that totally needs a whole bunch of work, but you guys wanted a tour, so we're gonna take you through it. We used to have a ladder that went up here to the first level, and then from there, you went up to the second level. But that ladder got replaced with this bridge because, well, you know, I saw it on TV, so I had to do it here too. So now to get in the treehouse, we have this beautiful walking structure here and some stairs, so it's a little bit easier than a ladder. Okay, so here we are, almost all the way to the top, getting ready to enter the bridge. You can see here that I've actually got four 5,000-pound cables. So this bridge can basically hold 20,000 pounds. So you can basically drive a car across it. So there's no chance it's ever really going to come down. The reason I did 4 cables is they are wrapped around the tree branches. So this way I can loosen them as the tree grows and not have to take the bridge down to do it. So that's my little tip for treehouse bridge building. Let's continue the tour. Okay, so here we are about to cross the bridge. This is the final step. The step here is actually not attached to the tree. It's purposely loose so that the tree can grow. So let's head on over to the treehouse. Alrighty, give you the selfie view here. Well, looks like we got some big sticks that came down. We're just gonna clear out of the bridge here. Alrighty, here we go. Okay, so we're now on the first level of the treehouse. So this is where we kind of started and then decided we needed a second level after that, and well, it just snowballed. So here we go. This is the platform. We just came from that side of the bridge, and now we're gonna go up to the second level of the treehouse. Now, I haven't been up here for a few weeks, so beware, probably needs a little sweeping, but I really wanted to get this done for you guys, so here we go. Oh, this is kind of cool. This is how you get up to the next level of the treehouse here. It's just a trap door. So again, we came across this bridge over here. We're on the first level of the treehouse, and you can actually kind of see all of the cabling for the bridge there. Probably do a little bit of B-roll and show you all of my lovely cable work. So here we go. Let's hit this trap door here and go up. All right. Okay, so we're now at the top level and final level of the treehouse. So there you go. There's the backyard there. We've got windows right here that open up and out. It's pretty cool. We've got another window over here, and then we've got big window back here. Now the kids are old enough, they all want to play up here. This was kind of an adult thing. We're going to totally upgrade this. We've been in touch with the Treehouse Masters. They are going to, well, we're going to buy from them the brackets that we need. So when I go back down, I'll show you guys the upgrades that are going to happen on the foundation. once that happens, we're gonna seal in the roof. As you can see, there is no roof to the treehouse right now. And a roof would be great because then we could have campouts back here. So kids can have a little sleepover in the treehouse. And eventually the Thompson 5 is gonna have their podcast up here. So that'll be pretty cool as well to have a podcast from the treehouse with this view. There you go, everybody. There's the bridge going across, and this is the treehouse. You can see underneath here, this is where we need to get those brackets from the Treehouse Masters. And the way that they're gonna work is one side is gonna lock and then the other side is gonna slide. So this is actually going to allow the branches to move beneath the platform and not rip apart the tree like is happening. Sorry, not rip apart the joist work, which is happening here, you can see. So those brackets are gonna solve all of these problems. So we're gonna set this up next spring with a new foundation and then go from there building some walls and a roof. And it's gonna be great for the kids because they're gonna be able to have some great sleepovers up inside the Thompson treehouse. Right, so hopefully you like that tour of the treehouse. Thanks for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and until next time, take it easy out there.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.